The Atlona OME-ST31 is a 3x1 switcher and HD-Base-T transmitter with HDMI and USB-C inputs. The OME-ST31 features mirrored HDMI and HD-Base-T outputs and is HDCP 2.2 compliant. The USB-C input is ideal for AV interfacing with newer Mac, Chromebook, and Windows PCs, as well as smartphones and tablets. Video signals up to 4K 60 420 can be transmitted over HD-Base-T up to 300 feet or 100 meters. All inputs and the local HDMI output support 4K HDR and 4K 60 444 at HDMI data rates up to 18 gigabits per second. Additionally, 4K downscaling to 1080 at 60, 30, or 24 Hz is available for the HDMI output when connected to an HD sync. This switching transmitter can serve as an integral component of a fully automated AV system with the convenience of automatic input selection and display control. The OME-ST31 is designed for use with the Omega series receivers and switchers, selected HDVS series receivers such as the HDVS SCRX scaler, the UHD EX100CE-RX receiver, and other Atlona switchers with HD-Base-T inputs. Together with a compatible HD-Base-T receiver, the set provides a compact yet comprehensive and cost-effective integration solution. And when installed below a meeting table, the available Pocket 3H provides convenient tabletop AV cable access for easy BYOD connectivity. The OME-ST31 is ideal for extending AV connectivity from a central equipment rack to a meeting table or lectern, where presenters can easily access the system. And in auditoriums and lecture halls, this switcher can be used for presenting 4K video content through the projector while also optimizing for a 1080p confidence monitor. To learn more about Atlona's Omega series, visit us online at atlona.com.